Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Telegram and confirming you're logged in. This gives access to both local and cloud-stored items. Once done, focus on the search icon at the top of the main chat list. This is where the process begins. Make sure to decide whether you want to search within a specific chat or across all chats, because the steps differ slightly. Tap or click the search field immediately to reveal recent searches and the keyboard, so you can enter your query and proceed to filters. Now enter keywords and refine results. Type a word or phrase, or use quotes for exact matches to reduce noise. Make sure to switch between all chats and an individual conversation if you need focused results. Telegram shows media, links, and files separately, so check those tabs. Once you see matches, scroll to find the right timestamp and open the message to view context. If you need older data, use the chat search bar to navigate backward by year or month where available. To finish, if you need a copy, export chats from Telegram desktop under Settings Advanced Export Telegram Data. This gives an archived history you can search offline. If searches return no results, make sure Account Sync is enabled and you're using the correct account. Sometimes privacy settings or limited permissions block content. Once checked, restart the app and rescan. If problems continue, reinstalling or updating Telegram often fixes indexing issues. One key tip: confirm cloud messages weren't deleted or set to auto-delete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.